Can I stack liquids like Lego blocks?
You don't want to pick acids or bases because they'll react. You also don't want to sit there and think all day about which liquids to choose. Let's start with a nice master list of easy things in our kitchen. Things like oil, milk, honey, and syrup. That'll get us started.
Instead of adding 7 liquids first, how about we add 3 liquids to keep it steady? Look at that rock. Do you think it sunk?